Implied main idea. Sometimes an author won't directly tell you the main idea of a paragraph or passage. He or she will imply it. When the main idea is implied, it is suggested but not stated outright. Writers often imply main ideas rather than stating them directly. Readers can figure them out with careful reading. The first step to discovering the implied main idea of a paragraph or passage is to find the topic. The topic tells you what the reading is about. If you are reading a paragraph, ask yourself, who or what is the paragraph about? Don't worry about explaining everything about the paragraph. The topic is generally just a word or two. Look for the topic in these lines. The red wolf has silver-black fur with a reddish tint. In the past, the red wolf roamed the land from Pennsylvania to Florida. To figure out the author's point, ask yourself, what is the author saying about the topic? The answer to this question will be the implied main idea. To answer this question, you must pay attention to the supporting details and examples the author uses. Let's start by locating the major details in this full paragraph about the red wolf. The red wolf has silver-black fur with a reddish tint. In the past, the red wolf roamed the land from Pennsylvania to Florida. After being hunted to near extinction, the red wolf was given the protected status of an endangered species in the 1980s. Wildlife specialists gathered up the remaining red wolf pairs to help preserve the wolves in captivity. Today, most red wolves live in captivity, although over 100 have been released into the wild to roam in northeastern North Carolina. With support from wildlife organizations, the red wolf is making a slow comeback. For pieces that are 2 paragraphs or more, we must try to find the implied central point. This is a statement that sums up what the author is saying in the entire passage, not just one paragraph. A selection with a central point may have 2, 3, or more main ideas contained within it. To find the central point, you will still need to ask the 2 key questions you would ask about one paragraph. In fact, you should ask the questions about each paragraph. Then you'll be able to determine the main ideas of the individual paragraphs and add them up to form the central point. So remember, finding the implied main idea is a matter of first identifying the topic. Then ask, what is the author saying about the topic? Those 2 strategies will lead you to the implied main idea.